Air Raid. Little Sugar, Bella Vista, Arkansas near Bentonville. Black Diamond steep-lift high-speed jump line with good size tables to clear.
Yes! Fuck yeah!